Hi everyone, this is Andrew from Maru Pacific. I'm really excited today because I finally get to introduce our Nytae aluminum foil underlayment. This is a product we've been preparing with a lot of intention, and I'm confident you'll see why. This underlayment has two core components, EVA and aluminum foil. I'll explain why EVA is the best and why aluminum foil is also the best choice. Let's start with the EVA. EVA is the main body of the underlayment. Compared to lighter foams like PE, polyethylene, EPE, and IXPE, EVA is the heaviest and the highest density material. Lighter materials often make the floor feel a bit hollow underneath, almost like there's some empty space between the floor and the subfloor. But EVA's high density fills the space completely. So when you step on the laminate floor with the EVA underneath, you don't get the hollow feeling. You get a solid, firm, supported feel, something we often call solid feel. And because of the density, EVA provides the superior sound reduction and better impact absorption and a stable, secure walk experience. Physically, it simply performs better than the lighter foams. There are two key principles when it comes to managing temperature under the floor. EVA blocks the cold coming up from the subfloor, and aluminum foil reflects the radiant heat. When these two functions work together, they help maintain a comfortable temperature, cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. And aluminum foil also offers excellent moisture protection. Standard films and plastics can block moisture to a certain degree, just enough to protect flooring, yes, but they do not completely stop vapor transmission. Aluminum foil, being metal, has a near zero water vapor transmission rate. So it blocks moisture from concrete far more effectively. Some of the concrete has more moisture content in it, but with the aluminum foil, there's no problem. You can even see the difference easily. Shine a light through a regular film and the light passes right through. Shine it on an aluminum foil and it completely blocks it. There's also additional benefit. Aluminum naturally provides EM shielding, reflecting and absorbing electromagnetic waves. This isn't something you will feel in daily life, but the function itself does exist. As many of you know, modern laminate floors look incredibly close to real hardwood. Sometimes you can barely tell the difference visually, but the feel, the actual user experience, depends heavily on the underlayment. So when you combine EVA's dense support with aluminum's moisture and thermal protection, laminate flooring goes beyond just looking good. It feels solid, stable, and premium under your feet. Very similar to real hardwood. So essentially, laminate price, hardwood feel. You get both. At Maru Pacific, we offer EVA and the basic polyethylene underlayment at very competitive pricing. And for those outside the Southern California, this Nytae aluminum foil underlayment is already available on Amazon Marketplace. Just search Nytae aluminum foil underlayment, and I'll also leave the purchase link in the description below. And by the way, I really appreciate the comments you leave under my videos. Even though there are not many, some of you share questions or say the video helped, and that means a lot. I don't check every day, but whenever I do, I reply as soon as possible. So feel free to leave your questions, thoughts, or anything you'd like to discuss. This is Andrew from Maru Pacific. Thank you so much for watching.